Oh my gosh.
A little bit higher up, huh?
Yeah,
Can I take your picture from the front?
yeah. I don't know what this is all about. It looks nice in here.
Nice.
It's nice in here.
Like that one?
Yeah, I like this one too.
Yeah?
Yeah, I like all these. Yeah. That's it. Oh wait, not yet, not yet.
You want to get the back door?
Yeah, I guess. Easy to open this thing. Ugh. I need help. Oh wow. Oh my god, this is a mess. This thing's a mess. Look at this thing, it's a mess.
Wow.
This thing's a mess,
Is it?
bro. It is. Yo, look at it. It's a mess. This thing's a mess, bro.
Hi there. Hi. Have any questions?
What is the E1 back there? When year was this made?
Ooh, I don't know. That one I don't know.
He's really into pirate cars.
I'm gonna use one of these. But these are actually expensive. Well, engine 75.